In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, PowerAdSpy and SaleSource. If you're running a dropshipping business or Amazon FBA, no matter what, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors is going to be a game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both of these in the description so you can check them out, and let's get started. PowerAdSpy is not directly focused on product discovery. It offers an indirect method through the analysis of successful advertising campaigns. By identifying which products are frequently advertised and performing well in various markets, users can get insights into trending products and potential niche opportunities. Now, what about market analysis? PowerAdSpy excels in market analysis, particularly in the context of advertising. It provides comprehensive data on ad performance, including engagement metrics, audience demographics, and geographical data. This allows dropshippers to understand which products are popular in different regions and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. So, how does it integrate with other platforms? PowerAdSpy primarily serves as an ad analysis tool. It doesn't really integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, so you can't use it for product management or listing. However, the insights that you get from spying on other people's ads can help you no matter what platform you're on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other one. What about supplier database? Again, PowerAdSpy does not include a supplier database because focused on advertising insights, not the complete supply chain management aspect of dropshipping. So what about their pricing and profitability tools? Well, PowerAdSpy does not actually have anything to do with pricing and profitability for dropshipping operations. But nevertheless, understanding the advertising spend and engagement data can help you kind of indirectly estimate the potential profitability based on the success of other people's ads for similar products. What about the user interface and ease of use? PowerAdSpy boasts a clean, intuitive user interface that's pretty easy to navigate. Even if you are a beginner to ad spying, the platform has a straightforward layout with powerful filtering options to help you quickly find the most relevant ad campaigns based on various criteria. So how do they do for customer support and community? PowerAdSpy provides robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive FAQ section. The platform also maintains an active presence on social media, offering additional support and community engagement through platforms like Facebook. Now let's look at something that I'm sure you're all interested in, which is their pricing. So if we look at pricing right here, we can see that they have a monthly subscription plan. And if you decide to pay annually, then you'll save between 50 to 70%. So you can definitely save a lot of money. If you're serious about trying PowerAdSpy, I would recommend going yearly. But if you just want to try it out right off the bat, you don't know if it's right for you, then go with monthly. You can use the link in the description to try it. They actually have a free package that you can sign up for, and then you go up to basic, where you can actually try it for just $1 for 3 days, and then it goes up to $69 a month. And then as you get more and more features and more ad views, the price goes up all the way up to almost $400 a month. And so you can actually see on the website all the different features that are included with each plan. Now, what about analytics and reporting? Well, PowerAdSpy offers excellent analytics and reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights into ad performance metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. These reports are really valuable for understanding what kind of ads are successful and how you can replicate that success for yourself. Now, as far as mobile app availability goes, currently PowerAdSpy doesn't offer a mobile app, which can limit the accessibility for some users, especially if you want to manage your research on mobile devices when you're not at your computer. As far as what other people say in terms of user feedback and reviews, PowerAdSpy generally has positive reviews. What people particularly like is its comprehensive ad database and deep analytical capabilities. It's not perfect, but it's still a great platform for a lot of people, especially if you're a dropshipper or a marketer. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.